Ndewo ndị nwe m. In our last video, we talked about the Nsibidi radical for Mmadu, but today we'll be talking about the Nsibidi radical for Anyanwu. If you are attentive in the last video, you would have noticed this Nsibidi radical. In this video, we'll talk about it and give relevant Nsibidi character examples. If you are excited about today's lesson, please support the community by giving this video a big thumbs up. Hello, my name is Chimwendum from the Ikenga channel. Here we talk about everything related to Igbo language and its heritage. If this is something you enjoy, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up like I said, so other Igbo enthusiasts can see it too. Let us give a little introduction about the word Anyanwu, shall we? Anyanwu is the Igbo word for sun. It is made up of two words, Anya and Anwu, which means eyes and light. Together it reads Eye of Light. In the past, the sun played a very huge role in the lives of the Igbo people, as our ancestors saw the sun as the eye of God, which he uses to see everything they did. This is one of the reasons the sun was revered so much. Now, into what we have today. Anwu, sun. This is the Nsibidi radical for sun. Looking at it, you will wonder how it came to be. The image being shown on the screen illustrates the different changes the Nsibidi character had to go through to be what it is today. First, we have the image of the sun, which was broken down into 4 more images before our ancestors settled for the last image, which is what we have now. Let's discuss 6 Nsibidi characters that have the radical sun. Today, Ta. The first Nsibidi character on our list today is the pictorial representation of today, which is known as Ta in Igbo. The Nsibidi radical under the sun in its complete form refers to behind or past. This you will understand in the next example. Because it is incomplete, it is used together with the Nsibidi radical for sun to represent today or Ta in Igbo. Yesterday, Unyahu. This is the Nsibidi character for yesterday, otherwise known as Unyahu in Igbo language. In general, the radical beside the sun is used to represent behind, past, or back. Remember I mentioned in the first example that it was incomplete. In its complete form, it is known as behind or azu. So in this case, with the sun in front, it means that the day is behind. What day, you may ask? Well, the answer is yesterday. If you are enjoying this lesson, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with anyone you think might be interested. It is important people know about this almost extinct system of writing. White, Ocha. This is the Nsibidi character for Ocha or white in English. It is gotten from the idea that the reflection of the sun on a surface can give the surface a shiny effect, and anything that shines is devoid of any stain. In the same way, when a white surface is stained, it ceases to be white because its nature has been altered. Going with this ideology, shine, Newu. This is the Nsibidi character for shine or illuminate. In Igbo we say Newu. For instance, we can say Okwahu Newu, which translates to that light is shining. This is not far from the truth if you pause this video and go back to the place where I talked about how our ancestors came up with the Nsibidi radical for sun. Imagine a dark room and one source of light. Take into consideration how the rays of this source of light is distributed across the room. This is the same concept that brought about this Nsibidi character. Afternoon, Nehihe. This is the Nsibidi character for afternoon, which is known as Ehihie in Igbo. The Mmadu radical together with the radical behind it stands for behind. So in the afternoon, it is assumed the sun is about to set and would be behind or at the back of the human being soon. Together, this Nsibidi radical roughly translates to the sun is behind. Tomorrow, Echi. This is the last Nsibidi character on our list, and it stands for Echi or tomorrow. You can see the upper part of this Nsibidi character has the same similarity with that of the sun, while the lower part has 2 lines moving in different directions. In Igbo, there is a proverb that says, Echi dime, onweghị onye ma ihe ọ ga-amụ. which means tomorrow is pregnant and no one knows what it will bear. It could be a boy or a girl or both. We believe this is why the lower part of this Nsibidi character has two lines moving in different directions. This portrays the uncertainty that comes with tomorrow because no one knows the outcome. We have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like this video and subscribe so the algorithm can show this video to more people. Until our next video, keep repping the Igbo heritage. Daalunu.